Hello, the Chef George, owner of the company Events by George Catering. Today let's cook mashed potato, creamy mashed potato. It's the beautiful and delicious recipe. I hope that you enjoy. Ingredients for the mashed potatoes: black pepper, salt, potatoes, Parmesan cheese, milk, butter, and garlic. The first step, we put the potatoes to boil in water until it's tender. The potatoes. Pan or fry pan, whatever, we add the milk and garlic. We check the milk because when it's boiling in 1 second, you lose the milk. When the milk and garlic boil already, we reserve for the mashed potatoes. After 20 minutes, the potatoes are tender and we are ready for start with the mashed potato. We put the water out to the potatoes and we start to mash the potatoes. We add the butter, first of all, and continue to mash the potatoes, the butter inside now. We add a little pepper and salt. We add to the preparation the Parmesan cheese. We use the sieve for the milk and garlic, and the garlic is in the sieve now. This is the final result for the mashed potato. Is incredible flavor for this mashed potato. I hope that you enjoy. Share, like, your comments always very important for us. Every day we put one new video in our YouTube channel, and we make any kind of events. Thank you so much.